Camelia Davis, professional plus-size adult model, former adult star. Her career rating 7.51. World ranking graph 36,900. Age 44 years young. Born Friday 2nd of January 1981. Birthplace Milwaukee, Wisconsin, United States. Ethnicity black. Hair color black. Eye color brown. Height 5 feet 2 inch. Weight 59 kg. Body type chubby. Real natural measurement 40 to 28 36. Years active 2009-2013. Started around 28 years old, for 4 years in the business. About Camelia Davis. Camelia Davis is voluptuous, natural busty American adult plus size model and adult star. She made her debut on Scoreland.com on summer 2009. She did her first hardcore video in February 2010. She also appeared in Scoreland's interview together with another natural, huge, voluptuous model. Alana Ackerman, professional, former plus-size adult model and adult star. Her career rating 8.18. World ranking graph 31,1994. About her mini biography. Alana Ackerman is a former adult model who gained recognition for her work in the industries. Born on September 25, 1983 in Orlando, Florida, USA. She stands at 5 feet 1 inch tall and has natural measurement of 34E 2938. Alana is known for her brown hair and green eyes, which contributed to her appeal in the adult entertainment world. During her career, Alana Ackerman appeared in various adult modeling shoots and videos. She was featured on 14 magazine covers, posed for 8 photosets, and starred in 14 videos. Her career spanned several years, with her retiring in 2019. Throughout her time in the industry, she made a name for herself on various websites. Despite her relatively brief career, Alana was well regarded within the adult entertainment industries, earning a career rating of 8.80. After retiring, Alana Ackerman distanced herself from the spotlight. Details about her post-retirement life remain relatively private. Tiffany Kyler, professional, adult model, adult star. Her career rating 8.78. World ranking graph 7794. Age 23 years young. Born Friday 7th of September 2001. Birthplace Russian Federation. Nationality Russia. Ethnicity Caucasian. Hair color brown. Eye color grey. Height 5 feet 6 inch. Weight 42 kg. Body type slip. Real natural measurement 28, 25, 36. Years active 2020. Present started around 18 years old, 5 years in the business. Instagram followers count 1K as February 2025. About Stephanie Kyler. Stephanie Kyler from Russia and then Budapest, Hungary, has posted over 165 covers, 39 photosets and 126 video. Stephanie Kyler is from Budapest. She is a woman on a mission and is driven by her passion. She is currently studying to become a TV show host and journalist. Her blue eyes can capture anyone's attention. She also passes the time by writing movie scripts and hopes that she can one day become a famous film director. In the meantime, she has decided to share her beautiful body with the world. Melissa Monet, former adult model and director and adult star. Her career rating 8.47. World ranking graph 20,400. Age 60 years young, born Thursday 16th of July 1964. Birth place Staten Island, New York, United States. Ethnicity Caucasian. Hair color brown. Eye color brown. Height 5 feet 1 inch. Weight 50 kg. Real natural measurement 32C 2333. Years active 1994 2015. Started around 29 years old, 21 years in the business. About her biography, Melissa Monet is adult star and adult film director. Melissa has stated that she lost her virginity at an early age to a boy, but she had also always been interested in women and had her first experience with a woman at the age of 15. As a result of she and her then boyfriend swinging with another couple, Melissa has a background in accounting via working with mutual funds, and she was a call girl and sexual surrogate in the 1980s before entering the adult film industry. Monet entered the adult film world in 1994 at the age of 30. Her then boyfriend auditioned for a job as adult star and she went along for moral support. She was then offered a job instead of him. She began as a director only because she felt she was too old to be just beginning an acting career in movies. She was the only director and producer for movies made exclusively for the Spice Channel in the first few years of the existence. Monet cites John Leslie is one of her influences. She is also an avid fan of the work of Orson Welles and Alfred Hitchcock. She ranked her as the 70th greatest star of all time. Hits. Bethany Bench, professional glamour model and motorsports model and adult star. Her career rating 8.73. World ranking graph 10,439. Age 38 years young. Born Monday 1st of December 1986. Birthplace Kyiv, Ukraine. Nationality Ukraine American. Ethnicity mixed race. Hair color black. Eye color brown. Height 5 feet 10 inch. Weight 59 kg. Real natural measurement 38, 24, 36. About her, Bethany Bench, born December 1, 1986 in Kyiv, Ukraine, is a Ukrainian adult star of Nigerian and Ukrainian descent. Bethany Bench started her career as glamour model with the stage name of Caviar, posing for magazines like Jet, Motorsports, and rolling out and appearing in music videos for Twista, Snoop Dogg, and R. Kelly. As Caviar, she is probably best known as a contestant in the first season of the VH1 reality show For the Love of Ray J. She was eliminated in the 4th episode of the show. Years active 2010-2020. Started around 23 years old, 10 years in the business. Christy Marks, professional adult model and plus size model, cam girl and adult star. Her career rating 8.74. World ranking graph 945. Age 36 years young. Born Thursday 13th of October 1988. Birthplace Mount Union, Pennsylvania, United States. Nationality American. Ethnicity Caucasian. Hair color brown. Eye color blue. Height 5 feet 4 inch. Weight 61 kg. Real natural measurement 38, 28, 36. Christy Marks years active in 2007-2022. Started around 18 years old, 15 years in the business. About Christy Marks, aka Jerry Monet from Mount Union, Pennsylvania, has posed for 142 covers, 107 photo sets, and 35 videos, and has been active 2007, 2010, and then 2021 present. Christy Marks began modeling and at 18 and quickly attracted a sizable fan base with her irresistible combination of youthful innocent looks, slim body and Anne Romo's 44-inch H-cup natural body with measurement. Her popularity grew when she began being photographed and filmed in naughty adventures. She was known as Jerry Monet while working with Big Naturals and used the name Christy Marks. When she moved to Scotland, where she was voted Scots Newcomer of the Year in 2007 in 2028. She was voted Score Model of the Year and has won Scotland's Model of the Decade for 2009, making her the first recipient of the World and award. She has since been voted into the Score Big Busted Lady Hall of Fame. Christy returned to modeling in 2021 after a decade of hiatus. She is posting pictures on Twitter and has a loyal fans account after being rejected by OnlyFans. She has posted some boy, girl and girl content on the loyal fans. She has put on some weight during her absence, which shows in her increased size of 30, and she showed a picture of her everyday via Twitter with the increased size. Christy wears sunglasses in many pictures. Evelyn Fierce, professional petite adult model and adult star. Her career rating 8.38, world ranking graph 25,138, age 34 years young. Birth Palace, California, United States. Height 5 feet 3 inch, weight 50 kg. Real natural measurement 32, 25, 35. About her biography, Evelyn Fierce is a former adult film actress and kink model born on May 28, 1990 in California, United States. She is of Latin descent and during her career, she earned a reputation for her slim body types and striking features including her brown hair, brown eyes and petite frames, standing at 5 feet 3 inch tall. Active in the adult industries from 2010 to 2017, Evelyn was a key figure in the kink genre. She began her career at the age of 20 and spent approximately 7 years in the business, gaining significant popularity with a rating of 8.38 and a global ranking of 25,138. She appeared in 38 movies and participated in 77 scenes. Throughout her career, she worked with 49 female stars and filmed in 67 studios, showcasing her versatility and appeal. Evelyn's measurements of 32, 25, 35 added to her allure, and she was known for her natural look with a slim nose and captivating big eyes, which further cemented her positions as a notable actress in the industries. Despite her early retirement, she left a lasting impression on her fans and peers alike.